What we got here today is a 52-inch polished brass and polished copper Casablanca S.o.S Saturn ceiling fan. This fan here dates sometime around 1986. The fan originally was powered with the IntelliTouch system, but on this particular fan it was bad when I got it, so I opted to hotwire the fan basically just straight high speed once power is applied, and basically just operate it off of wall control. So here's the light. The light kit's not original to this fan, but it is a genuine Casablanca S.o.S Saturn light, which I pieced together. And we're using a Hampton Bay 3-speed wall control for speed purposes, so we'll go ahead and start it up here on low. You'll notice that the blade irons, the blades mount below the iron on this particular fan. I think the only other fan that offered this style of iron was the Hologen Star. I guess this was more kind of a contemporary look that Casablanca tried. I think they were only available on the earlier Saturns. The ones later had the standard shorty crescent irons. So this wall control here gives a nice low speed here. A little bit faster than probably it is actually faster than what the original Casablanca IntelliTouch system would have on low. This is about the second speed on it. It's not real aesthetically low, but it's decent enough for what it is. And we'll take it to medium. And here's high. Like all Casablanca, is a very nice powerful fan on high. 14-degree blade pitch. I'd say we're doing around 210 RPM, thereabouts. Very smooth running fan, very quiet. We're going to power it off launch the coast. Now this wall control, I would say, I'd probably be better benefited with a better range of speeds with a 4-speed wall control versus a 3-speed in this case, because it seems like the low and medium are a little bit close together, then the medium and high speed are much different, much faster than, if you know what I'm talking about here. There's not much difference between low and medium, and there's a lot of difference between medium and high. If I had a 4-speed control, those speeds will be better equaled out, if I were to guess. But the way I have it set up here in the bedroom, I just have a rotary style 3-speed wall control, and that's I only have 3-speed. I don't have a 4-speed rotary wall control here. But it works for what I need it to. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, the S.o.S Saturn was introduced around 1985 when the IntelliTouch system came about. It may have been 1986, I'm not too sure. And it lasted until around 1994, 1995. white and chrome one that I videotaped some time ago was just from 1993, so they had a pretty decent run. And there you go, folks. There was the 52-inch polished brass and copper Casablanca Spirit of Saturn. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll be seeing you next time.